Last quarter, your AI assistant probably wrote more lines than you did, and you still got promoted. If you're confused why both of those things are true at the same time, this video is for you. I want to make a specific claim. We are not in the AI replaces engineers era. We're not even in the Centaur era yet. Human plus AI working as one system, the way Kasparov described chess after Deep Blue. We're in something messier. And the engineers who understand the gap between where we are and where Centaur chess actually went, those are the people compounding right now. Quick history. Kasparov loses to Deep Blue in '97. Everyone says chess is dead. Instead, freestyle chess emerges. Humans plus engines working together, and for over a decade they beat both pure humans and pure engines. That's the Centaur era. It lasted about 12 years before the engines got so strong that the human became a liability. Software is not at step 3. Software is at step 1.5. Here's why. Look at what Copilot, Cursor, Claude Code, pick your poison, actually do well. They write the function, they scaffold the test, they refactor the file. Now look at what your job actually is on a Tuesday afternoon. You're triaging a P99 regression that correlates with the deploy from 3 days ago, but only on the EU shard. And the PM wants to know if you can still hit the launch date. No model ships that. Not because models are dumb, they're not, but because the job isn't typing. Stripe's RFC process is a good lens here. The RFC isn't the code. The RFC is the argument for why this code, this trade-off, this rollout plan, this deprecation path. Amazon's writing culture, the 6-pager, same thing. The artifact that matters is the one that compresses judgment, not syntax. And judgment is exactly the thing models hallucinate. So what's the Centaur move right now, today, for a Staff IC or an EM? 3 things. 1. Treat the model as a fast junior who never gets tired and never learns. It's great at the first 80%. It's catastrophic at the last 20%, the part where you need to know that this service has a weird retry behavior because of an incident in 2022 that nobody wrote down. Your job is to be the institutional memory layer. 2. Move up the stack on artifacts. If you're an IC, your RFCs, design docs, and incident reviews are now more leveraged than your PRs. If you're an EM, your written perf cycle calibration, your scoping docs, your hiring rubrics, that's the work. The code is increasingly a commodity output. The reasoning behind the code is not. 3. Get aggressive about what you let the model do so you can spend the cycles you free up on the things calibration committees actually reward. Google's perf calibration, Meta's PSC, they don't reward volume. They reward scope and judgment. Use the model to buy yourself time at the top of the stack, not to do more of what you were already doing. The Centaur era in chess lasted 12 years. We're maybe 2 years into software's version, and the tooling is still bad. Context windows are small, the models can't hold a service map in their head, they can't read your org's politics. That window, where humans plus AI massively outperforms, either alone, is the window you're operating in for the rest of this decade, minimum. The engineers who win in this window aren't the ones typing fastest with cursor open. They're the ones who figured out that the bottleneck was never typing. Next video, I'm breaking down the artifact stack for Staff plus ICs in the AI era. What to write, what to delegate to the model, and what to never touch. If you've got a specific artifact you think is now overrated or underrated, drop it in the comments and I'll pull the best ones into that script.